The head-up display in the IONIQ 5 is bolstered by augmented reality, meaning that information such as navigation can be projected onto the windshield in the line of sight of the driver. Although we're unsure what this will exactly look like in the IONIQ 5, Hyundai announced an investment in Wayray, a startup integrating augmented reality into head-up displays, in 2018. The IONIQ 5 could be the realization of that investment. Other tech in the IONIQ 5 includes a solar roof, a feature seen in the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and what Hyundai calls a vehicle-to-load function, a charging system that can provide up to 3.6 kilowatts of power. That's enough to charge and power many household appliances, but not quite enough to power your whole house. The new Hyundai IONIQ 5 is slightly longer than the new Hyundai Tucson, and it should have a roomier cabin because there's a greater distance between its front and rear wheels. You can also slide the IONIQ 5's back seats forward or backwards by up to 135 mm depending on whether you need to carry loft passengers in the back or lots of luggage in the boot. The IONIQ 5's dashboard is flat in design and lacks a cowl over its standard 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a stylistic choice that emphasizes the overall theme of spaciousness. That's reinforced by a column-mounted shifter, just behind the two-spoke steering wheel. In addition to the dashboard tech, the IONIQ 5 will have the next generation of Hyundai's SmartSense driver assistance systems. This includes the first implementation of the automaker's Highway Driving Assist 2, which adds lane centering assist, lane change assist, and navigation-based adaptive cruise control to the feature set. The IONIQ 5 will also have what we think is one of Hyundai's coolest driver aid features, remote smart parking assist. IONIQ 5's demonstration of environmental responsibility doesn't stop with electrification. Sustainability is at the center of IONIQ's brand vision, which can be found throughout IONIQ 5 in eco-friendly materials and nature-inspired colors. Many of its interior touchpoint seats, headliner, door trim, floor and armrest use eco-friendly, sustainably sourced materials, such as recycled PET bottles, plant-based yarns and natural wool yarns, eco-processed leather with plant-based extracts, and biopaint with plant extracts. IONIQ 5 can also be equipped with an eco-friendly solar roof, which supports the vehicle's electric power source by collecting energy and transferring it to the battery pack, improving efficiency. The solar roof can prevent battery discharge, while providing an additional driving range. At the moment, Hyundai's only talking range for the specific configuration of the 72.6 kWh battery and single rear motor, claiming an impressive WLTP-rated range of between 292 and 298 miles. Expect the official EPA range to differ here in the US. Here's a neat little tidbit: if you do happen to brick your IONIQ 5 on an overenthusiastic impromptu road trip, an optional solar roof panel can trickle charge the car for some extra range, giving you a shot at reaching a charger.
Subscribe to Auto TV.